Hello and welcome to week 14 of CIT15 at Fresno City College. There are two videos this week. This first video is going to show you what you need to do to stay on track with guidelines. Second video will give you some lecture content. So this first video here, there's only one deadline in the class every week, and that's posting to the discussion, and that's even pretty flexible. But in my class, we have guidelines, right? Guidelines for where you should be in the class. And I really believe that online education is about being flexible and being able to meet the needs of, all kinds of different individuals with all kinds of different things going on in their life. So maybe you have a week that's really demanding, get caught up next week kind of a deal. So, but we are coming towards the end of the semester. We're at week 14. So you really need to get on the ball and get things caught up and get them finished if you haven't done that. So here is where you should be by the end of this week. This is what you should be doing this week. You should be through all this material by the end of the week if you want to stay on track with the guidelines. So in Canvas, if you click on assignments, we should be through all of the assignments through week 14. And so there's no assignment this week, so just get caught up on everything else. Next week we have something on ergonomics. And then if we go back up to the top of Canvas here and we click on discussions, we can see the discussion for week 14. And you need to do this TED Talk, Military Robots and the Future of War. So watch that TED Talk and then post your thoughts about that here in the discussion. That's in Canvas. And then in MyLab IT, this was week 1, this was through week 5, this was through week 9, this was through week 13. Just a minute. Okay, and I'm back. So week 1, week 5, week 9, week 13. So you should be done with Access now, and you're going into the first one of PowerPoint. Remember, just do the exams in here. The trainings are there. If you don't know how to do the material already, take the training, then take the exam. You can take the exams as many times as you like. It keeps your most recent score, I think. It might be that it keeps your highest score, but I think it's most recent. It might be highest. I don't know. Let me know if you find out. And then we have chapter quizzes. These should all be done. There's 13 of them. You should be done with them. Then there's the hands-on tests. You should finish all of these. Those should be done. And you should take the final when you feel inspired to do so. You could go take it anytime. Go take the final. So that's in MyLab, that's in Canvas, that's what you need to be doing. In the next video, we're going to do a lecture of my content for week 14, and we're going to learn about databases. See you in the next video.